So welcome back everyone, Mike here. Another beautiful evening here in Pennsylvania. We've had such a nice stretch of weather for this time of year. It's just unheard of. Never happens like this, end of March, early April. Usually sloppy mess, not this year. But anyway, I was gonna cut some wood this evening and I was gonna come work on those big trees that fell down in the back of the pond, but I still had the box scraper on the RK55, so I thought, you know what? I'll come down here, fix this road up in front of the pond. It's all rutted up, and then I've got one section of trail up by the house that needs a little bit of work. And then I'll take the box blade off, put that trailer mover back on that I borrowed from my buddy Adam, and then maybe sometime in the next couple days I'll work on these trees. Anyway, let me show you what I got here. So this part right here is the lowest part of the dam. So when the standpipe plugged up, the dam overflowed right through here. Came down here onto this road and rutted it all up. It's not really a big deal for the Ranger or the tractor, but when I bring my zero turn down here to get to my mom's place to mow, a little rough on the mower deck trying to get across that. So I'm gonna grade this up here this evening and then head up to the house and fix that section up there that I need to do. kind of hard filling this in on that angle with the big tractor. But next time I'm down here with the RK24, I can fix it up a little bit. Or even a rake at this point. All right, that looks a lot better. I'm gonna head up to the house and fix that little section of trail behind the house now. All right, I'm back up here at the house. I'm just gonna touch up this little section of trail right here. What happened here is I put about 5 or 6 feet of fill in here, and it's settled a little bit, and I got a big rut here, and this outside edge is kind of pushing out, settling down a little bit, and when it rains, this fills with water and stays wet. So what I'll do, I'll go out there to that high spot, pull some material this way, take me 5 or 10 minutes, it'll be all fixed up. Well, that's better. I got the rut out of it, yet I still have it pitched to the outside, so the water will just kind of sheet flow off of it and won't lay there and stay wet.
Dan's with me. He wants everyone to know he went to the vet yesterday for a checkup and had some blood work drawn.
Got a clean bill of health.
Yeah, not a thing wrong with him.
How old is Stanley?
He's 9 and he's arrogant. I'm just going to put it that way.
Yeah, he's very, the vet tried giving him a treat.
And he sniffed it and turned his head. She's like, oh, you're too good for that. I'm like, he's a jag. She's like, what's that? I'm like, yeah, he's too good for it.
I fixed that little section of trail right out there that holds water all the time and stays muddy.
Yeah.
This is where usually Melissa and all the dogs, every day you go out there.
Yeah, and they walk right through it. Any puddles.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, good. You gonna put some stone on it or?
I don't think.
Pave it.
Pave it, yeah.
Yeah, good, good. Hey, I have a question for everyone. I need some summer shoes. Every year I go through flip-flop sandals, you know, something. I'm guessing a lot of your subscribers are good walkers and hikers. I need something for the summer.
What do you recommend?
Right, that's what I need to know. What do you recommend?
Can't wear flip-flops because every time you do and we lift something that everyone, everyone says you're going to smash your toes.
Well, just for walking around the park or you know, something to slip into and do something real quick without injury. But there's got to be some comfortable, safe, economical.
Yeah, so whatever you recommend for a good summer hiker, right?
Right.
All right.